In this video, I will show you how to fix Google search bar not showing on home screen in Android phone, or how to put Google search bar in your home screen using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Search for Google. Open it. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap on delete. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your device. After the restart, open your Play Store. Search for Google. If you found any available update for your Google application, then update it. In my case, there is no update available. After completing the process, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still persists, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Press and hold on an empty area of your phone's home screen. Then tap on widgets. Now find Google. Tap on it. Add the search bar to your home screen. Adjust the size as needed. I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.